Now we discuss here the numerical question, that is the string of a guitar of 1.3 meter long vibrate with 4 notes, 2 of them at the end. Find the wavelength of the wave in the string if it vibrate at 500 hertz. So here we take the string that have the 4 notes, 1 note, 2 note, 3 note and 4 notes. Here the statement is given, the 4 notes given, so here we draw the 4 notes and 2 of them at the end. Now we find the wavelength of the wave in the string if it vibrate at frequency is 500 hertz and length is 1.3 meter long. So here we find the length, that is the lambda 2, that is distance between two nodes is lambda 2. So total distance equal to L. So L is equal to 3 lambda over 2. So here lambda is equal to 2L over 3 and length is given 1.3 meter. So wavelength is equal to 0.866 meter. That is the wavelength of the string in a guitar that is produced. Now we solve the nth numerical, that is the tension of 400 Newton cos a wire of length 1.6 meter. Tension is given, that is the 400 Newton and length that is given 1.6 meter to vibrate with a frequency of 40 hertz. What is the wavelength of the transverse wave? Here is the one mistake in the numerical, that I don't mention the mass. Causes are 300 gram mass of the wire. So mass is given 300 gram. If we write in the kg, so it is equal to 0.3 kg. So what we find, what is the wavelength? Wavelength of the wave of the transverse wave. So first we find the velocity. We know the velocity formula for the string, that is the T over mass and capital M, that is equal to mass per unit length. So here T is equal to 400 Newton, mass is equal to 0.3 and length is 1.6. So here 400, 0.3 divided by 1.6 is equal to 0.1875, that is equal to 46 meter per second. Now we find the wavelength of the wave. We know the formula of the wavelength, that is the lambda is equal to V over F. Velocity is 46, frequency is 40. So wavelength is equal to 1.15 meter. In this numerical, compare the statistical speed of sound in hydrogen with helium and if all the value is given. We know the formula, that is the V is equal to gamma RT over M. So here we write velocity for helium is gamma HE RT over MHE and velocity for hydrogen is gamma H RT over MH. Now we find the final formula for VHE over VH, that is equal to gamma HE MH over velocity for hydrogen MHE gamma H. Now put the value here. Gamma factor, that is given, gamma HE, that is given 1.66, MH, that is given 2.0 and mass of helium is 4.0. Mass of or gamma factor of hydrogen is 1.4. So final we get gamma HE over VH is equal to 0.77. So velocity of helium is 0.77 time of velocity of hydrogen.